Can you save ankle arthritis from surgery? If you've been told your ankle arthritis will only get worse and surgery is inevitable, this video may completely change how you think about ankle stiffness and pain. Hi, I'm Dr. Don Kim. Today, I'm going to explain how ankle arthritis really progresses from early stiffness to advanced joint damage and why many people are avoiding surgery using a regenerative approach. Let's talk about how ankle arthritis really starts. Ankle arthritis almost never starts overnight. For most people, it begins years after an ankle sprain, fracture, or repeated stress injury that never fully healed. Early signs include morning ankle stiffness, mild pain after walking or standing, occasional swelling, reduced range of motion. At this stage, cartilage damage has already started, even if x-rays don't look severe yet. Then, what are conventional treatments? Most foot specialists begin with conventional treatments like orthotics, physical therapy and stretching, activity modification, anti-inflammatory medication. When pain persists, cortisone injections are often used. These treatments can temporarily reduce pain, but they do not regenerate cartilage or repair joint damage. That's why many patients feel better briefly and worse again. Then, as ankle arthritis advances, stiffness becomes constant, pain increases, daily activities become difficult. At this point, patients are often told their only options are ankle fusion, which removes pain but permanently eliminates motion, or ankle replacement, which involves a long recovery and future revision risks. For active people, this can feel like losing part of their lifestyle. At Kim Holistic Foot and Ankle Center, we don't treat ankle arthritis as an inevitable decline. We treat it as a regenerative failure. That's why we created the 3-month regenerative therapy program combined with a 9 Secrets membership program, a non-surgical approach that has helped patients achieve up to 90% success rate, including those with advanced ankle arthritis who were told surgery was unavoidable. This program combines multiple regenerative therapies, including regenerative injections like PRP, Prolotherapy, and Ozone-assisted injections, Hyperbaric oxygen therapy, which dramatically increases oxygen delivery to the damaged joint tissue, IV nutrient therapy, delivering healing nutrients directly into your bloodstream. Together, these tools help stimulate cartilage repair, strengthen ligaments, and reduce chronic inflammation. Why detox is critical for healing. Regeneration doesn't start at the ankle. It starts with inside the body. That's why the 9 Secrets membership program includes a powerful detox program. Detox helps reduce systemic inflammation, improve circulation and oxygen delivery, cleans the liver, gut, and kidneys, prepare the body to respond fully to regenerative injections. When the body is clean, nourished, and supported, healing happens faster and more completely. Ankle arthritis does not have to mean a lifetime of stiffness, pain, or joint fusion. Whether you're in the early stages or dealing with the advanced bone-on-bone arthritis, there's another path. If you're ready to stop managing symptoms and start restoring your ankle naturally, I invite you to learn more about our regenerative approach. Your body was designed to heal. Sometimes it just needs the right support. If you'd like to learn more, click the link below or schedule a consultation.